The Adventure Story. Part 1.
Mark, Joe, and Patrick had been best friends since childhood. They grew up together, went to the same schools, and even landed jobs at the same company. However, they were feeling a bit bored with their routine lives and yearned for some adventure. One day, they decided to take a trip to the mountains to experience nature and explore the wilderness. They packed their backpacks with essentials, including food, water, tents, and camping gear. They were excited to embark on their adventure, and the anticipation was palpable. As they set out on their journey, they encountered various obstacles and challenges. The terrain was rugged and steep, and they had to navigate their way through rocky paths and dense forests. They had to cross streams and climb mountains, but their spirits remained high, and they were determined to reach their destination. Along the way, they encountered some wildlife, including deer, rabbits, and even a bear, which sent them running in the opposite direction. They laughed about it later, but at the time, they were terrified. After a grueling trek, they finally reached the summit of the mountain. The view was breathtaking, and they felt a sense of accomplishment. They set up camp and started a campfire, cooking their dinner over the flames. They shared stories and laughed under the stars, feeling free and alive. The next day, they explored the area further, discovering hidden waterfalls and caves. They even found an old abandoned cabin, which they explored with caution, intrigued by the mystery and history of the place. On the last day of their trip, they were reluctant to leave. They felt a connection to nature and each other that they had never experienced before. As they made their way back down the mountain, they vowed to make these types of trips a regular occurrence. Back in the city, they returned to their routine lives. But they had a newfound appreciation for the beauty of nature and the importance of adventure. They had bonded on a deeper level, and their friendship had grown stronger. They knew that no matter what the future held, they would always have their exciting adventure to look back on and cherish.